Hi, my name is Mia Stelling and welcome to 30 on 3D. Today I'll be covering the ways high schools and colleges can leverage 3D printing. Any university with a PolyJet and FDM 3D printer qualifies for the Stratasys Additive Manufacturing Certification. As a certified institution, you'll be able to offer your students a professional credential in additive, improving their overall 3D printing knowledge. On the other hand, if you're looking to bring 3D printing to your school for the very first time, an entry-level 3D printer is a great solution. The MakerBot method allows students to develop professional additive skills, plus you have the option to utilize official MakerBot materials or experiment with third-party materials if that's what you'd prefer. Whether you're looking for additive certification or starting to create a makerspace, our team can help. Contact us today to learn more.